Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Cofoe thermometer. First, always make sure your thermometer has fresh batteries to guarantee accurate readings. A low battery can affect the results significantly. Next, it's crucial to clean the probe tip thoroughly with an alcohol wipe both before and after every use. This prevents the spread of germs and ensures hygienic operation. Finally, familiarize yourself with the various measurement modes your specific Cofoe device offers, such as oral, rectal, or armpit, to choose the correct one for your needs. To get an accurate temperature reading, first select the appropriate measurement site. For oral readings, place the tip under the tongue. For armpit readings, ensure the tip is securely in the armpit, touching skin. Hold the thermometer steady in the correct position. It's important to keep still during this process to avoid errors. Wait patiently for the thermometer to beep, which signals that the measurement is complete and the temperature is displayed. This usually takes about 10 to 20 seconds, depending on the model. Once you have your reading, it's important to understand what it means. A normal body temperature is generally considered to be around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, or 37 degrees Celsius. However, this can vary slightly from person to person. If your temperature is consistently high, or if you have other concerning symptoms, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional for advice. Remember to record your temperature, along with any other symptoms you might be experiencing to help track your health over time. Proper care ensures your Cofoe thermometer lasts a long time. Always store it in a clean, dry place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures which can damage the device. When the low battery indicator appears, replace the batteries promptly to maintain accuracy and avoid unexpected shutdowns. For those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keeping your thermometer well maintained helps you stay informed about your health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.